How to fix message not sending on TextNow. First of all, check your internet connection. TextNow requires Wi-Fi or mobile data to send messages, so make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is working, try closing and reopening the TextNow app, then log back into your account. Next, make sure you are using the latest version of TextNow. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and update the app if necessary. Restart your phone to refresh your system and network settings, which can resolve temporary glitches. Check your message permissions by going to your phone settings, then Apps, select TextNow and make sure SMS and contacts permissions are enabled. Sometimes clearing the app cache and data can fix sending issues. Go to Settings, Apps, TextNow and clear cache or data. If you are still having trouble, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data as temporary network issues may block message delivery. Finally, if none of these steps work, open the TextNow Help menu and contact TextNow Support for advanced troubleshooting. Now you know how to fix message not sending issues on TextNow. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.